Okay, folks, I know that this is hard to see. I'm going to try and rewrite it. Let me scoot this down a bit. And let me see if I can rewrite this. A says 10, and I think it says minus 21, and then this button, this is a button, positive slash negative, and then equals. Okay? We'll talk about that in just a second. And I want to show it to you because you're going to have problems like this in the homework, and I just want you to get a feel for it, this type of problem. This says 10 with a button, minus 21, and then this button is equals. And then C says 10, and it's the plus minus button, and then minus 21 equals. Okay? All right. Now what they are asking us is, which of these would go with this problem when we plug it into the calculator? Okay? Now, a calculator, when you type in a number, you put the number in and then you give its sign. Okay? And the sign is sometimes a little negative. Let me see. On all of your calculators, I've seen yours. Can I see yours, Jack, for just a second? If you look next to the decimal, to the right of the decimal, at the bottom of the screen, do you see a button that looks like this? Okay? That's different than the subtraction button. It's the sign button. These two things are the same. They look different on different calculators, right? But they do the same thing. This button right here says make it negative. So when you type in 10 and you hit this button, it makes it negative 10. Do you understand what I'm saying? Okay. So now looking at these problems, okay, this one says, let me ask you this. Part A, write the problem that this is showing us. Can you write the problem? Tell me what to write. This is the way we punch it into the calculator. What does the problem look like? Anybody have an idea? You want me to jump in and do it myself? Pace?
Well, it would look like
10 minus negative 21. You see, because this button back here makes the 21 negative. And it equals something. Is that the same as this one? No. So it's definitely not A. All right? Let's rewrite B. Ian, can you tell me what problem that is showing us? That's 10 minus 21. That's it. Is that this problem? No. Okay, so it's not B. All right? Let's look at the last one here. Eric, when I look at the last problem here, can you tell me, what is this one saying?
Negative 10
It's saying negative 10 minus 21. Is that the same as this one?
Yes.
Okay, so the answer for this one is C. Those are the button combinations that we would use to find that out. But folks, would we waste our time with that? Let's just solve this. Or not solve it, let's simplify it. Catherine, what is that? Negative 31. I'm not going to spend any time with the calculator on that. Right? Do you see how you would use a calculator? Okay, good. Nice job. Let's look at the last example.